Hello, good evening to all of you, and welcome to Augmintech. Hope all of you are fine and doing well. So, first, let me know all of you. Am I audible for all of you? Yes, am I audible? Give me answer in chat box. Yes, no. Am I audible for all? Yes, give me reply, please, all of you. Okay, okay. So good. Now, before starting, first let me introduce myself in short. So, all of you. Myself, Mohammad Sajjad, and I am an mechanical engineer with expertise in MEP designing and modeling field. Okay, with several years of experience in industry, I have a deep understanding of technicalities involved in MEP designing and modeling field. Okay, I have done lots of projects, including residential, commercial buildings. Also, we have designed the hospitals, buildings, malls, retail shops, and more. So that's all about me. Okay. So now all of you know this webinar is on what? Which topic? Heating and cooling load calculation using energy modeling. Okay. So before starting, all of you listen carefully. Here I have one important announcement. The first thing is what? Generally, we are not providing any recording for any webinar. You know that. Okay. But here today for this webinar, I have decided to share you the webinar recording access link. So today for this webinar, we'll send you the recording access link. But remember that access link will send at the end of the class. Okay. So generally this class duration is around 2 hours. Okay. I will try to complete it before 2 hours. Okay. So remember, first thing, we'll provide you the recording access link, but that access link will send you in the chat box in the end of the class. So for that, you have to stay with us in the up to till the end of the webinar. Next thing, the important thing, will also provide you the completion certificate for this webinar. But that certificate and this all advantage will get only those students who stay with us till the end, because in the end of the class we'll take the screenshot of the participants so who are available, so that will get the certificate, also recording access link, and some special gifts and special discounts are also there that I will explain you in the end of the webinar. Okay, so can we start now? All of you are ready? Tell me please. No, not WhatsApp chat. I will share here in this chat box, in the webinar chat box. Okay. I'm not in WhatsApp. You will not get anything. Okay. Here only in live class, we'll share you everything. The notes, whatever, will provide you. The special offers and certificate of completion also only those students will get who are available till the end, because I will take the screenshot of the chat participant. Okay. So now, can we start now? All of you are ready? Please let me know fast. Okay, so this webinar is on heating and cooling load by using energy model. So before starting this webinar, all of you, we have to understand that what is the difference between the earlier version and latest version of Revit software. All of you know that earlier version means before 2022, 2021, and before that, when you see the earlier version of Revit, basically relied more on external tools, slow processing, less streamlined workflow, and more manual inputs. But when you come to the latest version of Revit, like after 2022, like 2023, 2024 version, and 2025 version. So when you see the latest version of Revit offer faster and accurate heat load calculation. Okay, with better integration, and also it will enhance the energy modeling workflow. So these update make the Revits more efficient. Okay, so these are more efficient and powerful for the MEP engineer who are working in energy simulation and heat load calculation. Okay, because this will reduce the time also. Okay, so these are the main difference. All of you understood here? So this webinar is important for those students who didn't have any knowledge in the latest version. How to perform the heat load calculation in latest version is very important webinar for those students. Okay. So all of you, let's see now. So in that, first we have to understand the architect layout. So first let me know, uh, my screen, this Revit software user interface screen is visible to all of you or not? So in chat box, please give me reply. If it is visible, give me yes, it is okay. Okay, so first we have to understand the architecture model in which we have to perform the heating and cooling load. Okay, so this is our small architecture layout in screen which I have shown here. Okay, small school building model is there. You can see. So in this school building only, we have to perform the heating and cooling load, everything. So for that, see here, how many floor plan we have. In the right side, we have a project browser. I think all of you know about the user interface of Revit. See, when you open the Revit software, here you will get this type of interface. So this interface is called as a user interface of Revit. Okay. Here you can see the Revit in the topmost part. Here you will get the Revit logo. This is called as a R application menu. Here you will get the file tab, architecture tab, structure tab. Some panels are given, presentation panel, create panel, graphics panel. In the left side, here we have a properties palette. Here you can see the properties of that model. In the right side, here we have a project browser. Okay. So let's see first here. Here in the right side, we have a project browser. And if anyone have questions, so just in the end of the class, I will give you the time, okay, to ask the question. So don't worry about that. So see, first try to understand this thing. In between the class, do not ask any question. If you have doubt related to this topic, then only ask the question, okay? Otherwise, if you have some different question, so for that, I will give you the time in the end of the class. You can ask me. See, in the right side, we have a project browser. Generally, the project which I have taken here, architecture model, total we have a second floor. See the first floor. You can open the first floor, ground floor. Here we have account department, libraries, examinations, cell. So this is our school building, okay, commercial project. Corridor, principal, reception, washrooms are also there. In first floor also we have some room. Can you see the section even? Maybe some rooms are there for teaching purpose. Okay, washrooms. In second floor also we have some lab like physics lab, chemistry lab, seminar hall. Okay. Then finally we have a roof floor and upper roof floor, then terrace. Okay. So this is the model which we are going to use for heating and cooling load calculation. So now I'm just closing this one. Next thing, the important thing, just close it. First, you have to open the Revit file. So here the first step to perform the heating and cooling load using energy model in latest version of Revit. Here I'm using the Revit 2024 version. So in that, first you have to open the Revit software. Okay, so this is your recent file window, and it is also sometimes called as a welcome window. Recently, whatever file or whatever project you have saved, you will get the preview of that project here. Okay, and here we have two options. Can you see? Model and family option. So generally, we have a four types of Revit file. Okay, all of you remember this thing. We have four types of Revit file. What are that? First one is the project template file. Second is the project file. Third one, family template file. And fourth one, family files. Okay. So the first one is the project template file. Project template file is what? Project template file is generally used to create a new project, to create a new model. Suppose, let's say, if you want to create a new model like architecture plan or any services you want to run, any services, any project. So you have to open what template file? Project template file. Their file extension name is .rte. Always to create a new model, to create a new project, we have to open the project template file. Okay. File extension name is what? .rte. Second, we have a project file. Okay. Their file extension name is .rbt. So what is project file? Project file means, suppose if you have created any model. Now, you want to save that model. So when you save that model, so that model or that project will save in which file? In project file, .rbt file. Okay. And let's say if already you have created any project, already you have saved any project, And when you are trying to open that project, that existing project, so that project will open in which template file? In project file .rbt. Clear or not? Tell me fast. All of you tell me fast. Give me reply. Don't be keep quiet, okay? Because here we have to communicate to each other, okay? Okay. So first is the project template file, as I discussed. Second is what? Project file. And third one is the family template file. Family template file means what? Suppose if you want to create any component in Revit, for example, any component, if you are a MEP engineer, suppose you want to create your own any component like AHU, FCU, any component like diffusers, grills, whatever component you want to create. So for that, you have to open the family template file. Okay. Their file extension name is .rft. Okay. So to create a new component, new object, you have to open the family template file, correct? And next one, last one is the family file. So family file generally we are using for what purpose? Suppose you have created any component, any object, and now you want to save that component. So that component will save in which template file? In which file? In family file. And the file extension name is .rfa. Okay, let's see. I will explain or give you one example. Suppose this is your model and here we have one option family. In model, we have open option, new option. Suppose already you have saved any project and you want to open that existing project. So you have to hit on open, simple. If you want to create a new model, you have to hit on new. So we are going to start, hit on new. So from here, you will get the option of browse, just browse it. Now see in which unit you want to work. When you go back from here, we have a different language. So we have to work in English language, you know that. So in English, we have two options, imperial or here only English is given. Imperial means if you want to work in imperial unit means in feet, pounds, inches. So you have to select the English imperial option. If you want to work in metric unit, for example, millimeter, meter, centimeter, so you have to open the English. Okay. So let's say I want to work in English Imperial, just hit on that English Imperial. Now here you will get some template file is given in Revit. Can you see? Tell me all of you. Some discipline is given like a default discipline. Actually, default discipline is our architecture discipline. Suppose if you want to create a architecture model in Revit, so you have to open the default template file. Okay. Let's say your separate electrical default template file is given. You want to run the electrical services, so you can open the electrical template file. You want to run the HVAC, firefighting services, plumbing services, so mechanical default template is also given. Plumbing separate default, they have given separate template also. So it is depend on you. And if you want to work in all of these services. So here, see, system default app template is also given. Here, when you open this template, you will get the HVAC template file, everything, plumbing, okay, electrical, everything. So now what I want to do, you know that we have to perform the heat load calculation. So we have to work in which template file? Anyone, please give me reply. I want to run the HVAC services. So in which template we have to run? HVAC will comes under mechanical. Okay. HVAC will comes under mechanical. So we have to open the mechanical discipline or mechanical template to run the HVAC services. Okay. So, okay, all of you clear this thing? Mechanical template. And here you can see the template file name is given .rte because I have explained you. If you want to create a new model, a new project, so which template file we have to use? Project template file, and their file extension name is .rte. Okay. Now from here, I'm selecting the mechanical template, mechanical default option, and now open it. Hit on OK. So see, here you will get the mechanical discipline. Can you see in the left side, we'll get the properties palette. In the right side, project browser. See, the main discipline is showing mechanical. Under that, HVAC discipline. Okay. Here in this mechanical only, the plumbing discipline is also showing. So here, actually, we have to discuss about the HVAC services. Just remove this plumbing discipline from here. How to remove? It is very simple. Just select the plumbing discipline complete with the help of Shift key. And here you will get just right click. You will get the option of delete. Just delete it. Remove it. Okay. Only I want HVAC services. So when you open any discipline, by default, 2 level is given. See, when you open any elevation, two levels are there. Level 1, level 2 is given by default. Okay. In Revit. So is it clear, all of you? Tell me first. This step is clear for all of you. Give me reply. Don't be keep quiet. Again, I'm repeating all of you. So tell me fast. Is it clear how to open the mechanical template and why we are working in mechanical template? Because we have to run the HVAC services. Simple. Now, the first step of heating and cooling load calculation is that first we have to link that architecture model in this mechanical template file. So first we have to link the architecture model in mechanical template. Remember one thing here, which is very important, that architecture model will created in which template file? In default. For that, we have a separate architecture template discipline. So in that architecture discipline, they have created the architecture model. But now what I am doing here, we have to link that model here, because in that architecture only we have to perform the heating and cooling load. Na? So how to link the architecture model in mechanical template? So for that, simple, what you have to do here, it is very simple, all of you. Listen carefully, just hit on this insert tab, link panel, link Revit. But before linking that model, what I am doing, just come here in the project browser, open any elevation. For example, I have opened north elevation. So by default, the 2 level is given. So I don't want to use this 2 level because already I'm inserting I'm in linking the architecture model. Na? So I don't want to see that this level by default. So what you can do, select it and remove it. Select, see, your delete option is given, delete it. Okay, clear? Now, simply what you have to do to link the architecture, already I have saved that architecture model in desktop. Okay. So insert tab, link panel, link Revit. Now, where you have saved that architecture model in desktop, I have saved. Can you see the building name? Tell me, School Central Revise. Their preview is also visible here. Okay. Already I have shown you this model. So you have to check the preview. Wherever you have saved that file, just select that file and check the positioning. It is very important. Internal origin to internal origin and open it. Now see the model. We have linked the architecture model. Is it clear? This is the first step. All of you let me know now. Fast, give me reply. Is it clear up to here? Anyone have doubt? No, it is very simple process. Correct? Next thing. The first step is to link the architecture model. Second step is what? Now we have to create the level. Okay. Because see, already in architecture model, the level is there. Can you see? The ground floor level, first floor level, second floor level. Even the grids are also there. But this level, grids and view is created in architecture template file. Now what we are doing, we have linked this school building in mechanical template, in mechanical discipline. So here we have to create, means we have to copy and monitors the levels, grids, views, floor plans, views, ceiling plans, view of this school building. Okay. So now I will show you in the next step, I will show you how to create, how to copy, how to monitor the level. Okay. This level is created in architecture discipline. Remember, again, I am repeating. When you are linking this model in mechanical discipline, so you have to create your level. Okay. So how to copy or monitor the level or how to create the level. So it is very simple. For that, what you have to do, come here in the view tab. Okay. In view tab, you will get the option. Or don't need to go in view tab. Just come here in the collaborate tab. Can you see all of your option? Collaborate tab. Here you will get the option of coordinate panel. In collaborate tab, coordinate panel, copy or monitor option is given. Just hit on this drop down list. Here we get one option, select link, hit on link and select this link file. Simple, school building. Now see, when you select this link file, again here some option is given. In tool panels, some option is given. Actually what we have to do, we have to copy the levels. Okay, so hit on copy, simple. And here we have to copy the multiple levels of a school building. Okay, so from option bar, just check the multiple and select this complete level because we have to copy or monitor all the levels which are created in architecture discipline. So once you have selected, then first you have to finish in this option bar. Hit on finish. Simple. Okay. And just wait for some time. Now, finally, what you have to do, come here again in copy or monitor tab, copy monitor panel, and then hit on finish. Now see, your level is copied and monitor. Can you see? When I'm trying to just to confirm, just select any of the level and drag it here. So now let me know, please, all of you. See, we have copy and monitor the level or not. See, this is copy. Even when you select any of the level, see, here they are showing the monitor symbol. It is monitoring also. Okay. So we have copy and monitors the level. Is it clear? This thing step is clear. How to copy, how to create the levels in mechanical discipline after link this architecture model. Tell me please fast. Give me reply. Yes, no, yes, no. Okay. So please, all of you, just give me reply also. Okay. Don't be keep quiet and listen. So just active in this webinar. So you will get lots of knowledge. Okay. So here I have copy. I have created the levels. Okay. In mechanical discipline. Now, okay, level we have created, but let's say sometime what happened, this will disturb you while creating spaces. So this will disturb you. So if you want to hide this level, okay, that option is also available. Already we have copied. Now, if you want to hide level, so that option is also available. To hide the level, simple, you have to type the VG, visibility graphic setting. So from where you will get the visibility graphic setting. So first is the shortcut. We have a shortcut to open the visibility graphics. Actually, visibility graphics command is generally used to control the visibility of current working window. So here what I want to do, I want to hide the level which we have copied here. Okay. So simple visibility graphic settings, you will get the option here in properties palette, visibility. You can open it from here. Otherwise, we have a shortcut VG. Just type VG. So here you will get the visibility graphics setting dialog box. All of you can see this. Tell me, please. Here, when you see now, we have a different option, model category, annotation category, analytical model category, imported category, filters, Revit link. So remember, actually, model category is what here? Model category is generally used to control the visibility of current working window. Okay. Second is annotation category. Annotation category is generally used to control the visibility of different tags. Okay, in your drawing, if you have a different tags like a space tag, room tag, if you want to control the visibility of that tagging, you can control it from annotation category. Okay. Actually, in live project, we are teaching, in live class, we are teaching each and everything in detail, but here we do not have that much of time to discuss about the visibility graphics and this all. So here, I'm just showing you the basic, what is the process here, okay? Because here we do not have enough time in webinar, because our main target is to complete the energy modeling in Revit, okay? So I'm just giving you the basic knowledge. So let's see. So all of you understood, model category is used to control the visibility of current working window. Annotation category is used to control the visibility of different tags. And next option is given analytical model category. This analytical model category is basically used to control the visibility of structural component. Okay. If you want to control the visibility of a structure component, so from analytical model category, you can control it. Now, let's say the next option is imported category. For example, if you have imported AutoCAD file, any file in Revit, okay, let's say, for example, AutoCAD file. You have imported any AutoCAD file in Revit. And now, if you want to control the visibility of that imported file, so from imported category, you can control it. Okay. Next option is filter. This filter is generally used if you want to give the pattern, colors, in any, if you want to give the colors, pattern, different patterns to the object and colors. So from filter, you can use and you can provide the hatching, patterns, color, everything to the component. Okay. Next option is Revit link. Revit link means what? Suppose, for example, if you have linked any project, right now we have linked the school building. You know that in mechanical template. Okay. If you have linked any project and you want to control the visibility of link project, so you have to use the Revit link file. So here I want to control the visibility of Revit link file. So we have to come here in the Revit link option. Revit link tab. Here you will get see the visibility school central revise, which we have linked here in our project. So it is the name is given. So you come here and in display setting, hit on by host view. So from here, you have to select the custom, and we know that we have to control the visibility of what? Different tag level, na? Just come here in the annotation category, and in annotation category, select the custom. Now from visibility column, you have to search for level. Where is level? See, level is coming here. Right now it is check. Can you see here? Tell me please fast, all of you. Right now the level is checked. So what is given here? One message, one note is given here. If a category is unchecked, what happened? It will not be visible. But right now it is checked. That is why it is visible. If you want to hide the level, just simply uncheck it, apply, okay, again apply, okay. Now you can see the level which we have copied now, the level will hide. Okay, so this setting is where I think all of you understood this thing. Okay. Actually, in live class, we are teaching this all in detail. Here, I have shown you some basic concept that how we are controlling the visibility of different tag and everything. So in this way, you can hide the level. So first thing, here I have created the level. I have copy and monitor the level. Now, same way, the next thing we have to create the grids also. Because see, the grids is created in architecture model. Same in mechanical discipline, I want to create the grids. So the concept is same. Come here in the collaborate tab, coordinate panel, copy monitor, select link file. Just select the link file from here. Okay. Now here they are asked you to copy because we have to copy the grids now. Hit on copy. Multiple grids are there. Check multiples and select the complete project. Just select the complete. Okay. Now here you will get one option, filter option. Hit on this filter. Now what you want to select? I want to select only the grids. Okay. Here total we have 5 grids. So what you can do, just uncheck the floor, plumbing fixture, uncheck the walls because we have to select only the grids. Apply. Okay. Now that grids is selected. Can you see? Blue color is showing because the selection color we have taken blue. That is why it is showing blue. Is it clear? Now after selecting, just same process. First, you have to finish in the option bar. Hit on finish. Just wait for some time. And now, again come here in monitor, copy monitor tab, and finally hit on finish. Now the grids is copied. Who are writing this? Mustafa, I will remove you if you write again this thing in his screen, okay? Mustaq Sheikh. Don't write anything, otherwise we'll remove you from the this webinar, okay? So let's see now. So here we have copied the grids also. Can you see? The grids is copy. Tell me all of you understood now. I'm pressing the Control Z. How to copy, how to create the level and grids. It is clear. Please, all of you, just give me reply fast so we can continue. Okay. So someone is coming, telling that repeat once again. So it is very simple. Thus, see, it is very simple. The process is same. You have to come here in the collaborate tab, coordinate panel, copy monitor. First, you have to select the link file like this. Okay. Now, here option is given copy because we have to copy the level. So hit on copy and select the complete building. And finally, you have to hit on finish. Okay. So here the grids will be copied. So in this way, we have to create the grid. Now, the important thing, now we have to create the floor plan views and ceiling plan view in mechanical discipline. How we do you know? Simple, the grids which you are showing here, the grid which is visible in your drawing, this is created in architecture mode. When you select the grids and when I am extending, this is your grids which you have copied, because you cannot move the architecture grid. The grids which is moving here, na, that grids we have created in mechanical discipline. Simple. Okay. Now it is clear. Tell me, please, fast. Okay. Now let's see. Now we have to copy. We have to create the floor plan views and reflected ceiling plan views in our mechanical discipline. Okay. So how to copy? How to create that floor plan view? Come here in the view tab. Okay. Simple. In create panel, you will get one option here, plan views. Okay. In plan view, hit on this drop down list. First, I want to create the floor plan view. So select the floor plan view from the list. Now here you will get one dialog box will open here. So you have to hit on edit type. Okay. So now you will get one option here. Can you see view template applied to new views option? View template applied to new views. So here you have to select the mechanical plan. And now under the name list, you have to select the mechanical plan, and in view properties, just scroll down sub-discipline. So sub-discipline, we want HVAC only, because see, the main discipline is mechanical. Sub-discipline, I want HVAC. Under that only, I want to create the floor plan view. So I have selected here HVAC, correct? Apply, okay. Again, you have to hit on apply, okay. Now from here, you have to select the complete floor plan of architecture layout, like ground floor, first floor. So with the help of shift key, select the complete floor plan and finally hit on okay. Right now, when you see in the project browser, we do not have any floor plan views here. We have any floor plan views? Let me know. We do not have any floor plans. So when you follow this procedure and hit on OK, now see the complete floor plan you will get. Main discipline, mechanical, sub-discipline, HVAC. Under that, we have created the floor plan view. Can you see? If you want to open the ground floor plan of that school building, just double hit on that. Here the ground floor plan is ready. You want to see the first floor plan, double hit on that. First floor plan is ready. Okay. Same way, I want to create the ceiling plan views here. So simple process is same. You have to come here in the view tab, create panel, same process. In this drop down list, you will get the option of now reflected ceiling plan. Just hit on that. Okay. Edit type. Under view template applied to new views, you have to hit on none. And here now, from the name list, you have to select the mechanical ceiling. Now, sub-discipline, scroll down. I want sub-discipline because I want to copy and I want to create the reflected ceiling plan in HVAC sub-discipline. So from here, I have selected HVAC, simple. If you want any other discipline, you can write down, no problem. You can edit it from here. But under this HVAC only, I want to see the reflected ceiling plan. So I have selected here HVAC. Apply, okay. And again, apply, okay. Now from here, you have to select the complete ceiling plan and hit on okay. Now see, in the project browser, now you will get the ceiling plan also. Can you tell me, all of you clear? See, if you want to open the ground floor ceiling plan of a school building, double hit on that. See, here we have which type of false ceiling we have here. Anyone, please? Which type of false ceiling is this? Just give me reply. Which type of false ceiling is this? Not grids, tiles false ceiling. Okay. Actually, see, we have a 3 types of false ceiling: tiles, false ceiling, plain false ceiling, and step false ceiling. So this false ceiling is called as a tiles false ceiling. Okay. Simple, you can open the first floor plan. See, same tiles false ceiling. Open any floor plan. But problem here is, see, when I am opening the floor plan, any floor plan, see the brightness of this floor plan is low, na? If you want to increase the brightness of the complete floor plan, simply here we have one setting to increase the brightness of this floor plan. Come here in the manage tab. In setting panel, you will get the option of additional setting. When you hit on this drop down list, here you will get one option, half tone or underlay. Hit on that. Right now, the brightness is 50%. You want to increase the brightness of floor plan, just increase it like this. Okay. Now, can you see the brightness will increase or not? Tell me fast. So in this way, you can increase the brightness of floor plan. Okay. So here I have shown you how to create the level, grids, and views. All of you clear this step? Okay. So here I am trying to just show you everything in just a simple way. So that is why here each and everything I am showing in detail. So try to understand, all of you. Please available in this class and stay with us till the end of this class. You will get lots of knowledge. Okay. After the completion of class, you will be able to perform the heating and cooling load calculation using energy modeling. Okay. And this is very important. I'm repeating, it's very important for those students who did not have any knowledge of the latest version, how to perform the heat load calculation in latest version. Okay. So what step we have followed? Tell me. The first step is what? All of you let me know first. To perform the heating and cooling load in Revit, first step is what? In the latest version, we have to link the architecture model in mechanical discipline that I have explained you. Second step is what? We have to create the level, grades, and plan views that we have done. Now, the next step is to create the spaces. Okay. Next step is to create the spaces. So now how to create the spaces? All of you, let's see, listen carefully. Okay. See, if you want to create the spaces here, so better is what? Create one separate views for spaces. Already we have created floor plan view, ceiling plan view, but for spaces, better is to create one separate views for spaces. Okay, floor spaces. Why? Because if you can create these spaces in floor plan view also, but problem is what? It will interfere your original work. So that is why I'm telling better is to create one separate view for spaces. So now the question is, sir, how to create the separate views for spaces? So it is very simple. See, all of you listen carefully. First, here only we have a ground floor plan, first floor and second floor. So I am creating separate views for spaces, ground floor, first floor, second floor. Okay. So for that simple, just in floor plan, first I am just creating ground floor. Select the ground floor plan. Okay. To create the separate view, after selecting right click, you will get one option, duplicate view. Can you see this option? So when you take the cursor near to duplicate view, again we have three options. Duplicate, duplicate with detailing, duplicate as a dependent. So what is mean by duplicate? The first option is duplicate. Remember, duplicate is used to create what? Yes, tell me fast, all of you. Duplicate views is generally used to create. Yes, tell me anyone. Simple to create a copy of selected levels. If you want to create, if you want to copy of selected, suppose the level which I have selected na ground floor. If you want this, basically it is used to create a copy of selected level, but without annotation and any without any annotation, okay, or detailing element. For example, text, tag, or if you have dimension. So duplicate generally used to create a copy of selected views without annotation and detailing elements such as text, dimension, tag, symbol, etc. Okay. Second is duplicate with detailing. Duplicate with detailing is used, same, is used to create a copy of selected level, including what? Annotation and detailing elements such as text. You want to copy the level, selected level, including the text, dimension, tag. So you have to use the duplicate with detailing. Simple. Next is duplicate as a dependent. So this option is used to create, suppose let's say if you want to create multiple views of selected level, so you can use this. But here in our case, we have to use the duplicate with detailing because I want to copy the selected level with annotation and detailing elements. Okay. So just hit on this duplicate with detailing. See, here you will get ground floor. One ground floor level is copied here, duplicated. Correct? Is it clear? Tell me, please, all of you. Now here, you can rename it. Just select it, right click, rename option is given. Suppose I am giving the name 0 dash ground floor spaces because we are creating spaces. Okay, enter. But problem is what? See, this spaces is created here in floor plan. I have told you better is what? To create separate view for spaces. Okay. So I'm creating separate view. So how to create the separate view? Select that ground floor spaces. Simple. Come here in the edit type. Right now, when you see in view template applied to new view, mechanical, hit on that mechanical. Actually, the spaces, this floor plan, which we have created in mechanical. So now what I am doing under the name list, I am selecting architecture plan. And sub-discipline, where is main discipline here? Tell me, any option is given for discipline? Yeah. What is selected? Architecture. So you can write any name. What discipline? Right now, see the mechanical discipline HVAC is given. So suppose we have selected architecture. Now main discipline, what you want? We do not want a mechanical. Something like spaces. If you want to write spaces, write down spaces. Otherwise, what I'm doing, I'm just selecting coordination, main discipline as a coordination. Okay. Now under coordination, sub-discipline, what you want? For example, here right now, when you see the main discipline is mechanical, sub-discipline HVAC. So, but what I am doing for spaces, discipline, main discipline, I have selected coordination, okay? Because it is given in here. So I have selected that, okay? And sub-discipline, what you want? Suppose coordination only. Main discipline, coordination, under that sub-discipline also I want coordination. So I'm giving the name, okay? Just a coordination. Clear? And finally, apply, okay. Apply, okay. But see, then also the ground floor spaces is in the same discipline. So no problem, just select that ground floor spaces, come here in the properties palette. And here, now when you scroll down, so let's see all of you, listen carefully here. See the view template. Sorry, not view template. See, the discipline is what selected here. Tell me, please. Actually, I think here we have to change the view template first. Then we'll do that. See, actually your problem is what? When I have created here, see everything is inactive. When you open the visual style, see wireframe, hidden shaded view is inactive. Even when you open the detail level here also everything. And when I'm trying to open the setting like view range, visibility graphics, so that all are inactive. So for that, you have to change the view template first. So for that, it is very simple. Select the complete mechanical discipline with the help of shift key like this. Okay. And come here in the properties palette. From here, view template option is given here. Tell me. Hit on edit and just hit on none. Okay. Apply. Okay. So this setting you have to do to activate the visual style view range setting. Now it is activated. Now see simply to create the separate views, select the ground floor spaces and under this discipline right now it is mechanical. What we have selected, tell me fast. Coordination, na? So just select the coordination. Now see here in the project browser, you will get one separate views or main discipline coordination. Okay. Under that, we have what? HVAC, floor plan, and ground floor is selected. But I have told you, I don't want to see the sub-discipline as a HVAC. If you want to change as a coordination, you can just change it, okay? Sub-discipline, I have, main discipline, I have changed from here, coordination. If you want to change the sub-discipline, see, change it as a coordination, simple. Now it is clear, tell me, please. All of you give me reply. Is it clear? Or I will repeat one more time. Okay, see one more time. Here only we have created the spaces for ground floor. Now same way we have to create the spaces for first floor and for second floor. So for that simple, what you have to do, select the first floor, okay, in floor plan, right click, same process, duplicate with detailing. Now here, first floor is duplicate, right click on first floor, rename it and give the name as 1 dash ground floor spaces, correct? So here I'm just giving the name spaces. Now we have to separate it. So simply just select the first floor spaces, subdiscipline and discipline. Just change it as a coordination. Main discipline, subdiscipline is also coordination. Now see, automatically the spaces will separate. Okay, same way for second floor. Select the second floor, right click, duplicate view, duplicate with detailing. Okay, see, then right click on that, rename it fast and give the name as second floor spaces. Is it clear? And now to separate that, simple, you have to change it from sub-discipline coordination, main discipline also coordination. Okay, now see, here we have created these spaces, separate views for spaces. Okay, I hope that all of you understand up to you. Okay, so in this way, better is to create one separate views for spaces. Okay, because it will interfere your original work. That is why we have created it. Now, now we have to create the space. So simply to create this space, open suppose ground floor plan. Okay, now if you want to create this space, what we are doing generally, simple. You have to come here in the Analyze tab. See, in Analyze tab, Spaces and Zone panel, can you see the option is given space? Hit on that and you have to come inside the room. Inside the room, you have to hit on. But problem is what? When I'm trying, here see, Revit will not, here Revit will not identify the room boundary here. Can you see? So it will not take the complete room. So actually problem is what? Here we have not done the room bounding. We have to set the limit of each and every room first. So for that, room bounding is important. Okay. So just press the escape key. First thing, select any floor plan, select the link file like this and come here in the properties palette, hit on edit type. Here you will get the option of room bounding. So only what you have to do, it is very easy, just check it. Right now it is unchecked. You have to check it, apply. Okay. Now when you create this space, now see, it is very easy. Now if you want to create this space, so simply what we are doing, see, option is what? Tell me fast, all of you. Analyze tab. Tell me the Analyze tab. Spaces and zone panel space. To create this space, hit on that space. And now see, Revit will take the complete boundary of this room. Okay. So in this way, we have to create this space. But before that, one more setting is there. When you are creating this space, so always remember here the height means the offset value. Always we have to select the maximum ceiling height here. In offset, you have to give the maximum ceiling height. So suppose if any room, in any room, if you do not have a false ceiling, for example, here we have some room like electrical room, this room. In this room, we do not have a false ceiling in electrical room. Even in this staircase also, we do not have any false ceiling. I will explain you. You can see in the ceiling plan. When you open the ground floor ceiling, can you see? Here in this room, this is our electrical room. Here we do not have any false ceiling. In staircase also, we do not have. So if any room, we do not have a false ceiling. So for that room, you have to consider the height up to slab level when you are creating these spaces. Otherwise, if there is a false ceiling in any room and you are creating these spaces, so for that maximum ceiling height, you have to select. Okay. Is it clear? Tell me, please, all of you. This is clear? So now, this is my, so for that, if you want to find out the height of false ceiling, so from where we get the height, suppose here I have opened the ground floor ceiling plan. And now I want to find out the height of this ceiling plan. So what I can do now here, simply here we have one command, okay? Like spot elevation, generally to find out the height of ceiling. Okay, you can use that spot elevation tool to find out the height of ceiling. Okay, so from where we have a shortcut also, EL. Just type EL to use the spot elevation command or tools. Otherwise, see, in annotate tab, dimension panel, you will get the spot elevation option. Okay, see the shortcut is also written EL. Okay, it display the elevation of a selected point. So hit on this spot elevation and take the cursor to that room, which ceiling height you want to know. So I see when I'm taking the cursor near to this room, how much height is showing? Tell me fast, all of you. Give me reply. 10 feet. Same way when you take the cursor near to this area corridor, here also we have false ceiling at what height? 10 feet. Same in this room also we have a false ceiling at 10 feet. Here also, even in washroom, 10 feet. But here when you see this room, here in this room, we have a step false ceiling. So when you take the cursor, the maximum false ceiling height is 11 feet. Because this bottom means lower false ceiling height is 7 feet, upper 11 feet. We have 1 feet step. Okay. So for this room, remember maximum height which we have to enter while creating these spaces is 11 feet. And in which room we do not have a false ceiling, for example, electrical room. So see, we have to enter the height up to the slab level. Can you see here? 12 feet, 7 inch. Okay. Is it clear? Tell me all of you. Just wait for 1 minute. Okay. So all of you can hear my voice. Let me know, please. Sorry for convenience. Is it clear? Am I audible now properly? Tell me, please. Don't be keep quiet. All of you, please be active in this webinar, okay? So you will get the knowledge, everything. Yes, tell me. Okay. So I have explained you how to create these spaces. First, we have to check the maximum ceiling height for each and every space. And if any space we do not have a false ceiling, so you have to check the slab height. Okay. So let's say we have checked the ground floor ceiling height. Now come here in the ground floor spaces. Hit on that. Now I want to create this space. So same, analyze tab, spaces and zone panel, space option is given. Hit on that. Okay. Now you have to hit inside the room. But before that, offset value, what? Because the maximum false ceiling height for this room is 10 feet. So just write down 10 feet and hit inside this room. Same way for corridor also. Same, false ceiling is at 10 feet only. In this room, false ceiling is also at 10 feet. For this room also, and for washroom. For this room also we have same. But when you see in this room, we have a step false ceiling and the maximum false ceiling height is 11 feet. So just change it 11 and hit inside this room. And for electrical room, means for this room, we do not have any false ceiling. So we have to take the slab height. So slab height is generally 12 feet 7 inch. So here I have given 12 feet 7 inch, hit it inside this room and in a staircase. Is it clear, all of you? So here we have created these spaces for ground floor. Only I have created these spaces for ground floor. Same way we have to create these spaces for first floor. Okay. If anyone have not understood, so don't worry. Again, I am repeating. Suppose let's say now I want to create these spaces for first floor. So for that, you have to open the first floor plan like this. So first we have to check the ceiling height. First, we have to check the ceiling height. Okay. Is it clear? Why upper limit is ground floor, not first floor? Where you are talking about. So let's see. So first of all, to create these spaces, first floor spaces, first what we have to do, we have to check the maximum false ceiling height. Na? So from the project browser, open the first floor ceiling height. A first floor ceiling plan, okay? Like this. And check the false ceiling height. So I'm using the spot elevation command EL, type EL and take the cursor near to this ceiling. But see here what happened when I'm trying to check the false ceiling height of this space, it is showing 23 feet. Means they are showing the height of false ceiling from base level, means from ground floor level. You want to see the false ceiling height for first floor, na? So come here in edit type Elevation base is selected, project base point. So they are showing the height from the base point. So here you have to change it as a relative, apply. Okay, now check it. Now it is showing 10 feet. From FFL, from finished floor level up to false ceiling, it is given height 10 feet. Okay, all of you know, because above the false ceiling, we have to run the ducting, everything. Na? See, is it clear? Tell me please fast. See, I think for each and every room 10 feet only. Only for this room, because here we do not have a false ceiling. So 12 feet 7 inch up to slab. And for a staircase 12 feet 7 inch. Now I hope that it is clear. Now simply we have checked the false ceiling height. Now come here in the first floor spaces. Okay. And you have to repeat the same procedure. Analyze tab, spaces and zone panel space. Hit on that space. Offset value, I'm writing 10 feet. Okay. And just hit inside this room, here, hit here, here also. This is corridor area inside this room. Here also, same in washroom also. Because in all room, we have a false ceiling it at 10 feet only. And for this room, just change the offset 12.7. Correct? Hit inside this electrical room and staircase. So here we have created these spaces for first floor. What you are try to ask Asiful Islam? I'm not getting here upper limit will be second floor. What you are telling? Okay. Only you have to give the height up to false ceiling level. So why you are confused here? Upper limit, why you have to select the second floor? See, who are asking for a recorded class, remember I have explained already in this starting that will give you, today we have decided to give you the this webinar recording access link, but in the end of the class. Okay, so you have to stay with us till the end, so you will get everything in the chat box. Okay, even will provide you the completion certificate also, and some special gifts are also there, special offer discounts that also will give you. Okay, but for that, but that only I will share you in the chat box. You will never in WhatsApp, anywhere you never get this link. Okay, in this live class only I will share you. Class will be maximum 2 hours. Okay, I will try to complete it before 2 hours, so don't worry about that. Okay, all of you. So see, who Asiful, you are talking about upper limit. So remember, upper limit is first floor only. We are talking about first floor. So why we have to change the as a second floor? So don't be confused. Okay. See, now same we have created now for second floor. Open the second floor and check the false ceiling height. So normally the false ceiling is height for this floor also 10 feet only. Okay. So analyze tab, spaces and zone space. Hit on space. Just select the 10 feet. Hit inside this room. For each and every room, 10 feet only. Okay. I have checked already. All of you understood how to check the maximum false ceiling height and everything. So hope all of you clear this all. Now for electrical room, as I told you, 12 feet 7 inch. So hit inside this room and in staircase. Okay. So see, we have created the spaces for ground floor, for first floor, and for second floor. Okay. Now we have to give, after creating these spaces for each and every floor, the next step is what? We have to give the space naming. Okay. The next step, we have to give the space naming. So for that, very simple, analyze tab, spaces and zone panel. Can you see the option of space naming is given? Assign the name and number from architecture room to MEP spaces used for building performance analysis. So hit on that space naming. Now, here you will get the three options: names and numbers, names only, numbers only. So if you want to see the name and number both like this, for example, a name like office space and number is also given A01. I'm talking about A. This is the number which is added. So if you want to see the name number, so you can select the first option. Otherwise, if you want to see only the name, like this, office 1, kitchen 2, living room 3, so you can select the second option. Let's say if you don't want to see the name, only you want to see the number like A01, AB02, or like this. But our main target is so it's to see the name. Name only I have selected. And from here, you have to select the all level, ground floor, first floor. If you want to specify the level, any like for ground floor, you want to give the naming only for ground floor. So hit on a specific level and select the level. But here, you know that we have to give the naming for complete floor, for complete level, just select all level. See, all 34 spaces is selected, hit on OK. Now, can you see? We have copied the name also. We have created, we have done the space naming, account department, library, examination, corridor, principal. Same way for first floor, when you open, you will get some option here. In the second floor also, you will get some option here. So now, let me know, is it clear all of you how to create these spaces? This is very important procedure here. Very important step for heating and cooling load calculation. Now we have not completed here. It is not completed. Only we have created this space. But now we have to give the properties of each and every space. Which type of space it is. How Revit will identify. This is your account department. This is your library. So we have to enter the properties of each and every space. So it is very simple. Let's see. Suppose first from here, I have opened the ground floor spaces. Correct? Now, simply you have to select the like account department. So how to select? Just hit on this. Is it? So it is very simple. See, for space naming, again, I'm showing, someone is asking me. Just see, it is very simple process. Analyze tab, space and zone, space naming. Nothing to do. Just hit on this space naming, select the name only. From here, select all level, hit on OK. You will get the space name. Okay, it is very easy process. Okay. Is it clear now? Tell me, please, Saurabh. Now, let's see how to give the property. So see, first come here in the account department, select this account department. Now in properties palette, just drag it. Can you see here we have one option. First, you have to select in energy analysis. In energy analysis, first here we have two options, plenum and occupiable. So can you tell me account department is occupiable or plenum? Plenum means the space which is available above the false ceiling to run the ducting and piping, any services. Okay, because we have a complete MEP services. So maybe above the false ceiling, you are running the duct work, plumbing, piping, drainage piping, firefighting. So the spaces which is available above the false ceiling to run the services, that is called as the plenum space. Okay. Occupiable space means occupiable space generally designed for human occupancy. Okay. For living. Okay. Is it clear? So here, this is account department is occupiable spaces because here the human will perform, people will performing the work. So this is occupiable. So from here, you have to select, just check the occupiable. Now, here you will get one option, condition type. How Revit will identify in account department, you need condition, you need cooling, or you need both cooling or heating or whatever. If you want, don't want to anything, like if you want unconditioned space. So for that, simply in the condition type, when you hit on this drop down list, here we have a different option. Only you want to provide the heating, you have to hit on heating. You want to give only the cooling, so hit on cold. Suppose, let's say if you want to give both heating and cooling, in summer season cooling, in winter season heating, so you have to select the heated and cooled. If suppose in any space you are not giving anything like washroom, because in washroom normally we are not providing anything, na condition. So unconditioned vented option is also given. Okay. So let me know here what I'm doing. I want to supply both heated and cooled air. So heated and cooled option I have selected in condition type. Now space type. Which type of space is it? How for Revit, for the identification of Revit, we have to select the space type also. So it is very simple. Just come here, hit on this three dot. This is our account department. All of you know that. So can you tell me account department, you have to search it. So maybe you will not get the exact space account department. But okay, no problem. If account department is not given, but we know that in account department, generally we are performing it's just like a banking activity area, na? Okay. So near about whatever space like banking activity area office. Okay. Can we select this? Just when you select, as per that, here you will get the energy analysis, means everything, each and every detail is given. Area per person. See, area per person value, sensible heat gain from the latest ASHRAE standard. They have given here everything, lighting load density, power load density, infiltration airflow per area. So it is very important to just give the properties. Okay. Here, the important thing which I want to show you is that occupancy schedule. Right now, it is given common office occupancy. From here, you can do the changes also. See, let's say hit on this three dot in occupancy schedule. Right now, what is selected here? Hit on this three dot. They have taken the by default, it is common office occupancy 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So we are designing account department for school building. So tell me here, suppose let's say our school will start from 8 p.m. From 7 p.m. Sorry, from 7 a.m. to maximum 1 p.m. Let's say this is our school timing. Okay. So in account department, in that banking activity area, the people will available up to this timing only, na 7 a.m. to maximum 1 p.m. Is it clear? Have that all I will explain you, Sultan. Be patient. Okay, everything is there. So for that, you have to wait it for that. Okay, everything. Just wait. See, first listen what I am explaining here. Okay, this is also very important thing. Common office occupancy is selected by default. Suppose you want to change it as per your, and here see, as per that, the graph nature is also given. In 6 a.m., they are showing it is increasing, occupancy is increasing, in 12 p.m. decreasing. Okay, so no problem. I want to select this occupancy schedule as per my requirement. According to school time. So for example, here we have one option, duplicate. So first you can duplicate it. So here it is duplicated and now rename it. Right click. Sorry, option is given rename. And now I'm just selecting common, which type of banking activity? Account department I'm selecting. Account department. Timing is what? Tell me fast. Any timing. Here I am deciding, suppose our school will start from 7 a.m. To how much? 1 p.m. Clear? So 1 p.m. I have written 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay. Now from here, you have to do the changes. So school will start from 7 a.m. Na? So where is 7 a.m. here? So now at 7 a.m., automatically in account department, the people will enter. Okay. So suppose let's say in starting at 7 a.m., we have occupancy 50%. Okay. But when you come 8 p.m., now we have 100% occupancy. Just write down 100% or 95%, whatever. So we have to design for 100% at 10 a.m. also 100%, 11 a.m. See, when you enter this thing, automatically the graphs nature will change. See, I will show you. At 12 p.m., let's say 12 p.m. Not in 11 a.m. only. What happens? Suppose we have a lunch timing. Okay. So maybe some of the people will take the lunch outside the account department. So at 11 a.m. what I'm doing, suppose just reduce the occupancy as a 70% of 60% I'm taking. Okay. Now again at 12 p.m. occupancy is 100% and at 1 p.m. 100%. Now our school timing is completed up to 1 p.m. People will available in this. After that, what happened? There is no occupancy, no people inside the room. So just select 0, 0. Okay. There is no occupancy because school will close at 1 p.m. So here I am writing 0, 0. Can you see? As per this detail, the graphs nature will change. Tell me all of you understood or not, please. How to do the changes like this? Please give me reply. Don't be keep quiet. Understood this thing? Okay. So we have to change according to school time. So after that, hit on OK. Same way you can do for lighting schedule, because by default it is showing office lighting 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Okay. By default, it is showing office lighting, means light will on from 6 a.m. to, you can, if you want to change, just select it, hit on this three dot. As I told you, first you have to duplicate it. See, hit on duplicate, here you will get, and then rename, uh, suppose school lighting I'm writing, not office lighting. Or account department lighting. Okay. I'm changing the time 7 a.m. to how much? 1 p.m. All of you know this thing. Hit on OK. Okay. Now from here, as per this, you have to change the graph nature. So simply suppose at 7 a.m. 100% light will on. Okay. So I'm writing 100% at 7 a.m., 8 a.m., just 100%. And 9 a.m. also 100% I'm just going. 10 a.m. also 100%. But let's say at 11 a.m. I have told you lunch timing is there. So let's say some 50% light will on, some light will off. Okay. So just 50%. Now at 12, 100%, 1 p.m. 100%. Okay. Then this school will off just 0. You have to write down 0, 0% lighting in lighting schedule 0%. Okay. As per that, see the graph nature will change. Okay. So in this way, you have to do. Is it clear? All of you clear now? How to change it? Hit on OK. Finally, same way we have a power schedule also. You can change it according to your space. Okay. Here we are talking, who are asking Kai, this, we are talking the latest version only. Okay. I'm showing you the latest version, 2024 version we are using. So see, in this way, we have to change the property of each and every room. Here, I have changed the property only for the account department. You have to change it for each and every space. Remember, okay? You have to change it. Hit on OK. See, here the space type now banking activity. As per that, Revit will take the energy analysis data. Okay, from the latest H3 version. Now, in construction, when you hit on this three dot, now, which type of roof you have? See the construction first and come here. By default, the roof is taken 4-inch lightweight concrete. Their U value is given. So U value is what all of you know. U value is the overall heat transfer coefficient. Okay. U value define that how much amount of heat will get transfer. Okay. Through window, through roof. Here actually this is roof. So how much amount of heat will transfer through roof? Outside heat will transfer inside the roof. So this is given here 0.2245. If you are selecting 4-inch lightweight concrete type of roof, so for that U value by default, suppose if you have some different type of roof, thickness is any, so no problem. See, when you hit on this drop down list, 6-inch lightweight concrete roof is also given, 6-inch heavyweight concrete roof with 2-inch insulation. So there U value and everything is given. Many option is given, multiple option. So which type of roof you have, as per that, you have to select it. Yes, tell me. So here right now, I'm just taking the default value, what is given. Same way for exterior wall, which type of exterior wall you have, interior wall, underground, whatever, ceiling, everything is given. So by default, I'm taking this value only, hit on OK. Correct. Now people, hit on edit type. Here by space type, you can select. Otherwise, if you know the exact number of people in account department maximum, because this detail you will get from the client side. Again, I'm repeating number of people detail you will get from the client side. Okay. So on that time, if you know the exact number of people, so hit on specified and write down the number of people. But here we do not know. So as per space type, the number of people and area per person value is given. Okay. Heat gain value, everything. Clear? Same way for electrical load, hit on by space type. If you know specified and write down the load density value. So by default, we are taking by space type only. Okay. So these are the setting which we have to do for each and every room. Why construction material needs to be do? How you will identify without selecting the construction material? Suppose if you have 6-inch wall, and if you have 8-inch wall, so outside heat will transfer inside the room. Now all of you know the heat transfer concept is what? Always heat will transfer from high temperature body to low temperature body. So this is very important na, to take the construction material also. Yes, is it clear, Asiful? Tell me. No, no, no. We are not getting in architecture drawing. It is defined, but here problem is what? How Revit will identify. So for that, you have to give the detail, okay, to get the accurate heating and cooling load value. And someone is asked, sir, if we need to create new layer for roof. Okay, no, actually here you can also create the new layer also if you know, but you have to know the exact U value for that. Okay, that option is also available. Actually, here it is not possible everything. We have to complete the webinar in 2 hours. So, okay, that is why I'm telling. So this here we have completed the spaces. Look, remember all of you, if you want in-depth knowledge in heating or cooling load, otherwise in complete Revit MEP. Okay. So if you want the in-depth knowledge, or if you are interested to join with us in live classes to learn the complete Revit MEP, or we have scheduled a postgraduate program in BIM MEP. I will explain you that. Here you can see, I will share you the PDF file also, means that course syllabus. See, in live class, generally we have scheduled a postgraduate program in BIM MEP for mechanical engineer, electrical engineer. Here, generally what we are doing, see the project program highlight is given. Here, generally we have a live classes for 3 months. Okay, so near about 75 hours classes will be there. In that class, we are teaching you a 6 BIM software. Means Revit is one of the software of BIM. Same way BIM 360 and Naviswork also we have to discuss here. Dynamo software for clash detection, Naviswork also. So total 6 BIM software will teach you in detail. Okay, you will get the access of recording also for 1000 day. Even will give you the access to class notes, means PPT which we are using. Okay, for 1000 day. 500 plus interview practice question is also there, and we are always available to help you if you are facing any problem in this interview practice questions. And 30 plus file is there to download, means the file which we are using, like model, architecture model, HVAC model, that file also will give you. It is, you can easily download this file. And one detailed project, in that we have to work the MEP complete modeling. Okay, internship and job assistance is also there. After that, certificate of completion, okay, you will get. And here in this browser, you will get the complete syllabus. Can you see what you will learn? So the complete course syllabus, see the software which we are going to cover: Dynamo, BIM 360, Naviswork. In Revit, we have to discuss the HVAC, plumbing, electrical, okay, in detail. And AutoCAD also will discuss here. We'll get the knowledge of AutoCAD. So here the complete syllabus, BIM MEP syllabus is given. So go through that syllabus, you will get each and everything. And if you want further assistance, okay, if you want more detail about this live classes, okay. So for that, simply, if you have any question or need further assistance, so for that, I'm sharing one WhatsApp number in your chat box. All of you just see that chat box. You can contact into the given number. And also I'm sharing you this brochure. Suppose, let's say, if you want to see the detail, means syllabus and everything. So for that, I'm sharing you the brochure in chat box. See, all of you, you will get this 1 minute, huh? Where it is? I'm sharing in desktop. 1 minute. Postgraduate program in BIM MEP. So here we have a complete program, but let's say if you are not interested for complete program, you are interested for Revit MEP only. So that option is also available. So let's see all of you in chat box. I have sent the brochure also complete for course syllabus and many other things. And I have shared you the WhatsApp number also. So if you have any doubt, any question, or need further assistance, just contact to the given WhatsApp number. Clear this thing? Tell me, please, all of you. So you can join with us in the live class, okay? To get the more detail. Is it clear? So my name is Muhammad Sajjad, okay? Already I have given my intro in the starting of the class. Okay. So just visit it. You will get each and everything. Okay. My name is Mohammad Sajja. So now let's see. We'll continue. All of you listen here. Just leave it. Everything. Now just see. MA, you are talking about link. So link I will share you in the end of the class. Again, I am repeating everything. Okay. So you have to stay with us till the end of the class. We'll complete the class up to 9:30 p.m. So just stay with us. Everything is there. Link also, recording access link, even will share you the certificate of completion also, but only for those students who available in the, will check the participant and take the screenshot of that. Only those students will share you the link and that all participant completion, completion of certification and some other. Okay. Clear this thing? So here what we have done is fast, quick, revise it. First step is what? We have linked the architecture model. Second, what we have done, tell me fast, all of you. We have copied the level, grades, and tell me fast. We have copied the level, grades, floor plan view, ceiling plan view, and third step, we have created the spaces. So I have created the spaces. I have created the spaces and given the properties. Only I have filled the properties of this account department. You have to fill it for each and every space. See, in ground floor, we have a library. Select the library. I'm not filling the space type. Only I'm just checking the condition type. Select the occupiable, heated and cooling. But in corridor, let's say in corridor, I don't want to supply the conditioner in corridor. For example, okay, our requirement is not there. It is unconditioned. So what you can do, select the corridor and in condition type, just select the unconditioned. Simple. Okay. Let's say washroom. We are not providing the condition heated and cooling air here. Washroom. Select the washroom. Drag it. And here condition type, select unconditioned. Simple. In electrical room also, I have not decided. Means we are not planning to supply the conditioner. Let's say, for example, requirement is there. So unconditioned. Same way, staircase, select it. And here, write down unconditioned. Okay. In this way, you have to change it for each and every room. Same way, I'm coming in the first floor. Here also, we have some spaces like section A1, section A2, section A3, staff room. Okay. So in this room, actually, we have to give the condition heated and cooled air both. So I have selected heated and cooled air. But in corridor, I don't want to supply the conditioner, heating or cooler. So here just select unconditioned. Same way for women washroom, for men washroom, for electrical room, select it. And for staircase, this is unconditioned space. So in condition type, select unconditioned. Okay. And for remaining spaces, I want to supply the heated and cooled air both. Okay. And come to next floor, second floor. Here also in electrical room, in men's washroom, human washroom, select it, staircase, electrical room. And corridor. These are the space in which we are not supplying conditioner. Okay. So simply you have to select it like this. With the help of control key, you can select. And here in where, tell me, in condition type, just select as a unconditioned. And same for electrical room also. I don't want to supply the conditioner. So select this room where it is, and just select the unconditioned. All of you clear up to here? Fast. Give me reply. Yes, no, fast. Is it clear up to here? Is it clear? Yes. Okay, very good. So now let's see. Yeah, we have completed this step also. Now the next thing, very important thing. Now we have to create the energy model. Okay. Now we have to create the energy model. Okay. So can anyone tell me why we are creating the energy model? Okay. What is the main purpose of creating energy model? Anyone? Simple. In Revit 2024, here we are using energy modeling generally allow architects, engineers, and designer to assess how a building design impacts it heating, cooling, and overall energy consumption. Okay. And energy modeling also helps determine the heating and cooling requirement of a building by considering internal and external heat gain, okay, building materials, climate data, and system efficiency. Okay. So this is the main purpose of creating energy model. Yeah, to save energy also. Clear? So now see, all of you listen carefully here, how we can create the energy model. It is very simple. Try to understand. In energy, you have to come here in the analyze tab, energy optimization panel. First, you have to, before creating the energy model, first we have to specify the geographical location for the project. Okay. Hit on this location option. Now, for which location you are designing, project address, let me know. Suppose here I am giving any option, we are designing for India. Let's say, tell me I'm just selecting India city for example, Delhi. Okay. In India, we have one city, Delhi. I have selected that. Here, internet mapping service is available. Hit on search. So see, you will get the option of Delhi, India. Just select it. Click. Now see, here you will get the location. Okay. And finally, see, one more option is given. Use daylight saving time. What is this? What is this daylight saving time? Remember, daylight saving time usually start in the month of March, okay, and end in the month of November. But remember, the exact date can vary by date and month can vary by country or region, okay. So daylight saving time means to adjust clocks forward in the month of March and back in the month of November to take advantage of longer daylight hours during the warmer month. Okay. So if you want to use the daylight saving time, you have to just check it. Okay. Then finally hit on OK. So here what we have done, we have specified the geographical location for this project. Now the next step, just take it, select it, and I'm just moving here. See, we have a lots of option here. After selecting the location, next step is what? Energy setting. Here one option is given, energy setting. Okay, just hit on that, energy setting. So in energy setting and energy analytical model, see, first you have to select the mode. We have a different option. 3 option is available. Use building element. Okay. So this mode, this use building element, this one, first one, this mode generally utilize the actual building elements such as walls, roof, floor, window, door that you have model in Revit. Okay. Second option is given, use conceptual masses and building element modes. So this mode, this second option, use conceptual masses and building element modes, combine both conceptual masses and actual building element. Okay. And the third option is given, use room or spaces. So this mode focuses on the use of room or spaces defined in the Revit model. Okay. So right now I'm just taking the mode, use room or spaces. Okay. Now here you have to select the ground plane. So ground plane is what? Ground floor, you know that. Project phase, new construction or existing. So this is our new construction. Hit on that new construction. Now the important point here is coming, analytical space resolution, analytical surface resolution. What is this? See, all of you listen carefully, okay? Each and every point is very important. Analytical space resolution means what? Actually, this setting control the analytical surfaces like walls, roof, and floor in the model. Okay. Higher surface resolution means what? Highest surface resolution can improve the accuracy of energy simulation. Okay. Especially for building with complex geometry or where heat transfer is critical. Okay. Next option is given, analytical space resolution. Surface resolution I have discussed. Analytical space resolution determine how finely the model divides the building into separate analytical spaces for energy analysis. Okay. So increase a higher resolution means more spaces will create it. Okay. So here, as per best practice, remember all of you, the ratio between the analytical space resolution and analytical surface resolution should be 2:1. Okay, as per best practice. So here by default it is selected 1 feet 6 inch and 1 feet. Better is what? Maintain the ratio between 2:1. Okay. Next thing, come here. Average vertical void height. So just leave it. Important thing is here, edit. Come here, some other setting is detail model setting, advanced setting, export complexity. So here see what is selected, simple with shading surfaces, silver space tolerances, silver space tolerances. That will explain you if we get the time. Silver space tolerances means what? The height available above the false ceiling to run the services. Means MEP service gap. Okay. So that is called as a silver space. So in our project, the height which is available above the false ceiling to run the duct, pipe or any other services is I think 2 feet. Okay. So I'm giving 2 feet here. Building envelope. Use functional parameter or identify. So always hit on use functional parameter. Building service. Now, here we have a different option. VAV single duct, VAV dual duct. So again, I am repeating this all we are teaching in our live project or in pre-recorded classes in detail. But here it is not, I'm not getting that much of time. Okay. So right now we have a different option. VAV means what? Variable air volume system. Here what you can do, you can vary the airflow rate. Okay. So I'm selecting VAV single duct. Building infiltration class they are asking. Okay. So here we have a different option, loose, medium, tight. Clear this thing? Loose building infiltration class means what? Here we have higher air leakage rate. Okay. Typically due to poor sealing and insulation. So better is to select the medium. Okay. And building type they are asking. So we are designing for school building. So search it. Where is a school? School or university? Select that. Building operation schedule, leave it by default. HVAC system type. It is also very important. See, when you select here, we have a different system. So right now I'm selecting central VAV. See this option, central VAV, hot water heat chiller 5.96 COP, boiler 84.5. What is this? Central VAV means a central VAV system is basically an HVAC design that regulates airflow in a building by varying the volume of air delivered to different spaces based on their cooling or heating needs. Okay. So this generally it uses a central air handling unit to condition air and distribute it through ductwork. Simple, okay? Hot water heat, all of you know that hot water, it refers to a heating system that uses hot water as a medium to transfer heat to various part of a building, okay? And chiller with 5.96 COP. It means what? Chiller is what? Simple. It is a mechanical device that remove heat from a liquid via vapor compression cycle or vapor absorption cycle. Here the 5.96 COP means what? That it means that for every unit of energy consumed by the chiller, it removes approximately 5.96 unit of heat energy from the liquid. Okay. So right now I'm just going for this one system. And some other system is also the conceptual type. You can change it everything from here is per your requirement. I have already explained you. Okay. This all detail. So after doing this all setting, you have to hit on OK. Now we have to create the energy model. So how to create? It is very simple. Here same analyze tab, energy optimization panel. You will get the option of create energy model. Just hit on that and hit on create the energy analytical model. Now see, can you see here? Tell me all of you, it is visible. We have created the energy analytical model here. Yes, I hope that all of you clear. So here the things which you have to remember. See, this is our analytical spaces. Can you see when I'm selecting these spaces? Suppose this is spaces. Here I have selected ground floor. Can you see the property of this spaces is given in properties palette? Which type of space? Staircase. I have selected the staircase. Let's say I'm selecting this space. This is our account department, their area, everything, outdoor air, CFM, outdoor air, everything is given in filtration, airflow. Okay. Volume of that room. So this is our analytical spaces. So analytical spaces generally defined volume within the building model that represent different area where energy calculation will take place. Okay. So this is generally analytical spaces is used to analyze the thermal performance of each space. Correct. If you want to see the schedule, just come here in the project browser. In the schedule or quantity, can you see the analytical spaces is given? Hit on that. See, automatically Revit will generate the analytical spaces schedule as per your room wise account department. Their total area is showing, volume, everything is there. Okay. Automatically the system will generate this. Just close it from here. Same way, if you want to see the analytical surfaces, so that option is also given. Both option is available here. Analytical surface means what? Anyone know? Analytical surface generally define the thermal envelope of each analytical space. Means analytical surface represent the boundaries of the analytical spaces, including wall, roof, floor, and window. To see the analytical spaces, see, just type VG, simple. Okay. Come here in the analytical model category, you will get the option. Right now, the analytical spaces is checked. That is why it is visible. Just uncheck the analytical spaces. From here, check the analytical surfaces. Okay. Now, can you see the analytical surfaces? Now, when you are selecting room, you're not getting complete room is not selected because I have told you analytical surface generally represent what? The boundary of the analytical spaces, including wall. You can select the wall, floor, roof. Okay. So again, I'm changing VG. Analytical model category, just uncheck analytical surface, check the analytical spaces. Okay. So in this way, generally we have to create the energy modeling. Is it clear, all of you? So now what I'm doing, just take it and place it here, wherever energy now. Okay. So after that, the next step is what? Now we have to add the water loop, air loops, and zone equipment. This is very important step. All of you listen carefully. Okay. Whatever step I'm teaching here, please listen carefully. Each and every step is very important. Okay. Yeah. So see, now the important thing is what? We have to add the water loop. Means which type of system you are using, chiller or what? How Revit will identify, na? You are supplying means conditioner with the help of chill water direct expansion system or what? All detail we have to see. So how to add the water loops, air loops, and zone equipment? That is very important step. So for that, first, what you have to do? Just come here, hit on View tab, and from user interface, open the system browser. Check the system browser because here only you will get the option of water loop, air loop, and zone equipment. Check it. Now see, in system browser, you will get the option. But problem is what? Here, the space for working is, we are not getting enough space now working. So what I am doing, I am moving the project browser below the here properties palette. So how to move? It is very simple. Select the project browser, drag it and drop it here. Below this one, just drop it. Can you see? Here we have a property palette. Below that project browser, I have moved it here. So here we get this space for working. Now you can drag it like this or drag off. So here, from here, select the analytical system. Now you will get three options. See, to add the water loop, option is given, add water loop, add air system, and air zone equipment. So first I will show you how to add the water loop. Just you have to hit on water, add water loop. It is very simple. Now in the property palette, give the name. What? Chill water, na? Chilled water I have given. Loop type. They are asking about loop type. So loop type is chill water loop. Just keep it. Now, which type of chiller you are using? Air cooled or water cooled? Both option. So if you are using water cooled chiller, so first here in loop type, you have to select the condenser water loop. Okay. And define it. But right now I'm just going for air cooled chiller. Let's say. and apply. See, here you will get, we have created the water loop for chill water. Means chill water loop we have created. Same way, here we have to give the cold and heated at both. So we have to create one more loop for hot water. So hit add water loop, write down the name now, hot water. And loop type is what? Tell me fast. Hot water. Clear? See, we have created the chill water and hot water loop. Is it clear? All of you tell me fast. In this way, we have to create the water loop. Now come here, add the air system. Now we have to add the air system. So see, the icon is given here. How to add? It is very simple. Just hit on this, add air system. Now give the name. So which type of system, air system you are using here? Suppose AHU, whatever. So remember here, the system which you are using. So first you have to plan it for each and every, suppose let's say we have multiple option. Suppose for ground floor, if you are using air handling unit here to supply the condition air in each and every space. So for example, we have a both option now. You can also select only one AHU for complete for the entire building, or otherwise if you want to select separate AHU for each and every floor, that option also, it is depend on you. You have to, as per that, you have to create the air system. So what I'm doing in our project, what I'm doing, I'm assuming that we have only one air handling unit, which I'm going to place above the terrace, above the roof. Okay. With the help of that AHU, I'm going, with the help of ductwork, I'm going to supply the condition and heated air both. Okay. In case of summer season, we have to supply the condition air. With the help of that only one AHU, I'm going to supply the condition air to the entire spaces of the building. Okay. So as per that, I'm writing here air system name AHU, air handling unit. Okay. Now in energy analysis, heat exchanger, which type of, in AHU, the heat exchanger, you can just define it. Preheat coil, which type of preheat coil, electrical resistance, furnace, hot water, so that you can define it. Okay. Now cooling coil here, which type of cooling coil you are using, chill water or direct expansion. If you are using, because generally here we are using chiller, so inside the cooling coil, the hot water, chill water will running na. So cooling coil is chill water. Direct expansion means what? Yes, tell me. If inside the coil refrigerant is running, so on that time you have to select the uh, direct expansion. But here direct expansion means if your condition means if the supply air is cooled by secondary primary refrigerant, if the supply air is cooled by primary refrigerant, that is called as a direct expansion system. Chill water system, generally what happens, supply air is cooled by secondary refrigerant. Secondary refrigerant means the refrigerant which changes temperature during the cycle. That is called as a secondary refrigerant. Primary refrigerant, the refrigerant which changes phase during the cycle. That is called as a primary refrigerant. So here you have to select the cooling coil chill water. And chill water system is our chill water. Na? See, here the option is given chill water loop. So chill water selected, already we have created chill water loop. Heating coil is which type? Electrical resistance, furnace, hot water. Tell me. In heating coil, generally the hot water is running, which is coming from the boiler. So just select as the hot water. Now, heated hot water loops. Already we have created hot water loop. Okay. Now they are asking about fan. The fan inside the HU, which type of fan? Variable volume fan or constant? So suppose let's say I'm just selecting variable. We can vary the airflow rate. Okay. Hit on variable. So here I have created the air system. Can you see? One HU we are using for our entire building. If let's say, if you are using separate HU for ground floor, separate HU for first floor, separate HU. So that also, as per that, you have to define the air system. Ground floor HU. Then you again you have to hit on add air system and give the detail for first floor AHU. Okay. But here I am using only one AHU. All of you understood? Tell me, please. Is it clear? Tell me, please. Clear or not? Okay. Now we have created this one also. Now the important thing is zone equipment. Okay. So hit on zone equipment. Now give the name, zone equipment name first. So here the problem is what I'm giving. Here we are using what? Open any space like ground floor. For zone equipment, change the name as a, I have decided, suppose I have opened the ground floor plan. So what I'm deciding, suppose account department, library, examination cell. Okay. This is our zone one. We are supplying condition here, zone one. And principal reception room is our zone two. Okay. So first you have to define the zone. This is our zone one, and I have decided to serve the condition air in this account department, library, examination cell with the help of VAV box. So see, zone equipment name I am giving. Suppose VAV 01. Okay. And equipment name is what? Tell me. Variable air volume box. Okay. And behavior. Here we have option. If you are using, if you are defining one zone equipment for one space, so on that time you have to select one per space. But here I have told you we have three spaces in one zone. We are defining three spaces. So group spaces on equipment you have to select it from here. Heating coil, hot water, and heating hot water loop is we have already defined. Add system is AH. Okay. These are the things which you have to do. Is it clear? Tell me, please. So see here, chilled water, hot water, and VAV. And now same floor, this principal and reception. For this principal and reception, I have decided, suppose this is our VAV box. I'm using another zone equipment to serve the condition in principal and reception room. So you can control the airflow rate both for both room. So simply hit on again zone equipment. Change the zone equipment name as now VAV02. Okay. Equipment type. Let me know fast, all of you. Please, variable air volume. And now behavior one per space or group spaces on equipment, because here we have a two space. Tell me fast. Don't be keep quiet. What we have to select? Group spaces. Okay. And heating coil, hot water here, and air system is same AHU. Correct. Same way for ground. Here we have defined the zone, two zone we have selected. Now come here for first floor. So here what I am doing, see, for section A1, A2, A3, and for B3, I am defining one zone, separate zone, VAV, zone equipment, VAV03. And for separate zone, we are taking for section B2, and staff room and conference room. Okay. So let's see. Hit on zone equipment, write down VAV, what? 03 now, na? And zone equipment is VAV box, variable air volume box. So with the help of this zone equipment, we are serving this four room, section A1, section A2, A3, and section B3 also. So here you have to select the group spaces, heating coil, hot water, and then heating hot water, air system is what? AHU, correct? So now again hit on zone equipment. Now the remaining room like a staff is conference, section B1, B2. For that, we have to define separate zone. So VAV 04, equipment type. Tell me fast, all of you. Don't be keep quiet. Again, I'm repeating. Variable air volume, behavior, group spaces, heating coil. Already we have created hot water loop and then AHU. With the help of that, we are serving. Okay. Is it clear? So, okay, right. We are completing. So this is the last, after that, we have a last step. Don't worry about that. Okay. Is it clear, this thing? Now, same way for the second floor. Here also we have physics, chemistry lab. So let's say for physics, chemistry and section B3, section 4, C4, we have one separate equipment. We are selecting for the remaining floor for separate. So, okay, hit on zone equipment. Here I'm writing the zone name now, VAV 05, correct? Equipment type, variable air volume box, and group of spaces, and heating coil is hot water, hot water, loop, and AHU. Same way, again hit on zone equipment and write down the name VAV06. Finally, equipment here also same. Variable air volume box and group spaces on equipment, heating coil, hot water. Okay. And air system is AH. Is it clear this thing? So here we have created what? We have added the zone equipment, but we have not defined the zone equipment. Only we have added. So when you see in unassigned, see each and every room is showing because room spaces is not assigned right now because we have added the zone equipment, but we have not assigned the zone equipment. So for that, simply what you have to do, now we have to create the zone equipment, HVAC zone equipment simply. So how to create? It is very simple. All of you listen carefully. I'm just minimizing this one. So to create the zone equipment in Analyze tab and Energy Optimization panel, you will get the option here. Can you see this option, System Zone? So first open the ground floor spaces. Okay. And now Analyze tab, System Zone. Now you have to define, tell me the zone name. Let me know the zone name first. So in name, system zone name, I'm giving zone 1. Okay. Zone 01. And zone equipment is what? VAV. So can you tell me with the help of this VAV box, we are serving condition air in this 3 room, na? Tell me. So from draw panel, select the line and just draw the line in this 2 room and finish edit mode. See? And now the remaining these 2 spaces, we are serving for another zone equipment. So simply again, hit on system zone. And here you have to write down the zone number 2. Okay. And zone equipment is now remaining VAV02. Select the line or circle and draw the line like this. Finish edit. Come to next floor now. Where is next floor? Tell me. First floor. Open the first floor. Now what we have decided for this 4 room, we have selected separate zone. Okay. So again, I'm using Analyze tab, System Zone. Now change the zone name here. Tell me, zone number 3. And now zone equipment is VAV3. We are serving this 3 room with the help of that VAV3. And this one also, section 0. So for that, select the circle or any shape, draw it, finish edit mode. So, okay. So this is selected. Sorry, it is not selected. Maybe the problem is what? Actually, here the level is ground floor. Yeah, of course. See, here the level I have selected ground floor. That is why the problem is coming. Okay. So for that, simply just go back, first of all. Okay. Discard it. Okay, just discard it. First floor, ground floor, we have completed. Now come to first spaces. And here, don't forget when you are selecting the system zone, here remember, we are working in first floor. So change the floor here, level. And now give the name, whatever name is there. Zone number 3, na, I think. Tell me, am I right? And zone equipment is what? VAV 03. And change the line, select the line, draw the line for this. Because here we have 4 room. So for this 3 room, I have drawn the line and for this, finish edit. See, we have created the zone equipment. Tell me, please. Now, next, again, analyze system. And now change the zone name, zone 4, na? And this zone equipment is VAV4. So with the help of this VAV box, we are serving this 2 room and this one also, staff and conference. So just draw it, press the escape, finish edit. Clear? Now come to next space, second floor, and come here, system zone, and make sure to change the level as a second floor. And now give the zone name. Tell me, please, all of you, zone 505. And zone equipment is what? VAV 05. With the help of this, we are serving this 3 room, physics, chemistry, section C3, and this one, section 4 also. So I'm selecting the circle here for this one and finish edit mode. Now for the remaining, again, system zone, zone number 06, correct? And here we have to select the VAV 06. and select the line, draw the line like this, and select the circle for this seminar. Okay, finish edit mode. So here I have defined the zone. Now when you have defined, see, when you come in the now when we have created the zone equipment, then also see in the room unassign is showing. So if it is showing like this, so what you can do, just delete the energy model and again create the energy model. So you will get, so from here I'm deleting and again I'm creating the energy model. Hit on energy model, create the energy model. Now see, unassign option is gone. Now only that space is available which is unconditioned. Okay, because that will not assign, na? We are not giving, we are not providing condition. So see, in unconditioned corridor and each and every spaces are there in which we are not supplying condition. Okay, so after completing this all, okay, after creating the system means zone, creating the HVAC zone, now simply what you have to do, all of you listen carefully. Now we have to come here in the analysis energy optimization. Here you will get the option of can you see the option of system analysis? I want to generate a report. So hit on system analysis. From here, select HVAC system load and sizing. Run analysis option is given. Just hit on that. So you will get the just you have to wait it for some time. See, here message is given, system analysis is calculating in the background. So if you want to see in the project browser, report option is given, report analysis. Open it, report analysis report. See, now the Revit is calculating. So you have to wait it for some time. So you will get the everything, each and everything, system, equipment, everything. Just wait it, huh? Just we need 2 minutes here. So they will give you the result. Okay, just wait. All of you understood up to here? Anyone have doubt? Let me know, please, in chat box. Clear? So this is the process. This is the complete process. I will show you that report also. Don't worry about that. Now, as I promised with you that after the completion, here we have completed the heating and cooling. See, sometime what happened, all of you, see, you will get this message, energy plus simulation did not generate a report for system analysis. Why? The problem is what, na? Sometime Revit will not identify the complete data from that location which you have selected. Okay, so you have to ask for this thing to this type of issue. You have to contact with the Autodesk. So they will help you. So now, right now, maybe the location which we have selected, we are not getting Revit, we are not getting enough data for specific location. So just close it. And from here, I'm deleting this report first, delete it. Now come here in the location. Right now, I'm just searching for any other like New Delhi. Search it. Change the location if it is any problem is coming here. Okay. Okay. Now, just create it. System analysis, HVAC system load and sizing, you will get. Okay. If you are facing problem, so it means the location which you are selecting, Revit are not getting enough data, means the climate data for that specific location. So you have to change the location, you will get the result. Okay. This is the process. Simple. So now, as I promise you that I will give you that thing. 1 minute, huh? Where is report? 1 minute, Revit will calculating if it is right location, so they will give you the result. So as I promised you in starting that I will send you the recording access of this webinar, means access link in the chat box. Even we'll take the screenshot of the participant also. Just all of you wait it, okay? Yeah, I will take the screenshot of each and every participant so that we can provide you the certification, completion certification, okay? Just 1 minute. Give me time, please. I'm taking this screenshot. Just wait, huh? Wait it for 1 minute. Okay. Yes. One screenshot is taken. 1 minute. All of you, just wait. See, again, this problem is showing. So don't worry about that. When you perform now, you will get this detail. Actually, here we do not have time also. Actually, we have to change the location. I will show you, don't worry. Uh, 1 minute. First, I am taking this screenshot so we can share you this detail. Okay, so don't worry about that. Irfanullah Khan. 1 minute. Now the remaining. Okay, so I have taken the screenshot of all of the participants. So we'll provide you the certificate also. So don't worry about that. Okay, is it clear? Next thing, the important thing which I want to show you here. See, please listen carefully here. My screen is visible. First, let me know so that uh, tell me, please. My screen is visible, all of you. Hi, yeah, Srinivas, we have to change it again. Don't worry about that. Actually, the problem is now, sometime Revit will not identify the exact problem. So again, come here in the location. What you can do, I'm just entering the Delhi only. Okay, see, they will give you the result. Sometime maybe we are facing problem, but don't worry. Just select the location. Okay. And one more time, what I am doing before that, before creating, then delete this analysis report. Okay. Previous analysis report and delete the energy model one time and again create the energy model. Okay. After selecting the location. And now just I'm trying see system analysis, run analysis. Okay. Huh. You can either you can change the location of computer drive, so you will get this thing. So don't worry about that. Next thing, the important thing, all of you listen carefully. The calculation is going on, so don't worry about that. Okay, Revit will calculate. So here, remember, I have told you I have a special offer for you, all of you. So we have also launched a complete pre-recorded class of Revit MEP designing and modeling. So if anyone are interested for that class, because here I'm giving you the huge uh, discount in this, but that discount is only for those student who are available in this webinar. And this offer is only for last 20 minutes. Okay, remember again, because remember when you see the, if I show you, see, in pre-recorded class, you will get Revit MEP designing and modeling course. Can you see my screen? Already 70 students have installed 5 rating. So the regular price of this course is 15,999. But for the student which is available in the webinar, okay, for this student, we are offering this course only for 4,999 rupees. This is only for those students who are available in this webinar, and this offer is only for last 20 minutes. So if anyone are interested, okay, if anyone are interested, so I am sharing the payment link, INR also. Just check your chat box, all of you. I'm sharing the link here, both INR link in your chat box and both USD link also. Can you get that link? So if you are from India, so you can use the NIR payment link to enroll in this course. And if you are from other countries, so USD payment link is also there. So again, I'm repeating the discount offer, this offer, the rate, the price of this post complete Revit MEP in detail we are teaching, and the topic syllabus. I will also explain you each and everything. Don't worry about that. Okay. And let's say if you have any question and if you need any further, suppose in payment you are getting any problem. So I have shared the WhatsApp number also. You can use that WhatsApp number if you're facing any problem in payment or enrolling any. Remember, again, I'm repeating, this offer is only for last 15 minutes. You have only 15 minutes to enroll in this course. Okay. I have shared you the INR payment link also. and USD payment link. Okay. Yeah, that is why I have shared both. So see, and this course you will get only for what rupees? 4,999 rupees. Okay. So here, see what you will get in this complete pre-recorded course, because we know that many of you are working professional. Okay, you are not getting enough time to join with us in live class. So that is why we have launched the pre-recorded class also, so that you can see in that what we are teaching with what things which we are providing to you. See, here the material include is given. Totally, you have a 30. I have shared now. Use the payment link, because that payment link is discount offer. Use it and you enroll it. After enrollment, yeah, in USD actually it is. After enrollment, after 24 hours, you will get the access. Okay. So total the material which we are providing you, 30 plus hours video lectures are there. International recognized certificate of completion you will get. 200 plus interview practice questions are also there. Ebooks, Excel sheet, which we are using in our project, everything. And the topic, see, everything, each and everything we have covered here. Can you see the syllabus? Someone has question, you can ask me. And again, I'm sharing one more time the payment link. So you can use that payment link for that huge discount. Okay. Remember, this discount you will not get. So last 15 minutes is there for this offer. Otherwise, same course you will get how much rupees? 15,999 rupees. Okay. Near about, I think, more than $150. Okay. See, this offer is only for last 15 minutes. Yeah, everything. See now. Here the course Revit file means what? Everything will share you the project which we are using in this course, that also. See, first this in syllabus course curriculum is given introduction to Revit world. Here we have to show you how to find out how to install the trial version, download link, everything will show you. Revit shortcut, about the user interface, navigation tool which we are using in Revit, selection tool. Okay. Yeah, everything that we are using, that all you will get. Next thing, project view is in Revit. So here, see, we have to discuss the type of views in Revit. Okay. Understanding section box, selection box, scope box, that you will understood about the visibility. I have told you in pre-recorded class or in live class, we have discussed in detail about the visibility, graphic, view range setting. Okay. In this webinar, I have discussed, but that is just short. Okay. Okay, all of you clear or not this thing? Yeah, you will get everything here. So if anyone are interested, please, again, I'm repeating, you have only last 15 minutes, okay, for this offer. Otherwise, same price, same course you will get uh, at 15,990. So this is the best opportunity for those students uh, who are interested for this Revit MEP course, and they are not getting enough time to join with us in live class. So this is the best opportunity for those students. Okay, see the topics which we are going to cover. Now, the next, we have to start with a new MEP project. Here, we take the example of office building 5-floor architecture model is there. In that model, we show you how to perform the heating and cooling load in HVAC services. Same, everything is how to link the architecture mod, how to create the level and views grid in detail, how to create the space, plenum, energy modeling, how we can create the energy modeling. Okay, report analysis, in that system design, you will get this all detail. Can you see? Tell me. See, in each and everything we have this. Same way, hydronic system design, here you will get the chiller pipes and everything in detail we have discussed. So again, I'm repeating, this is the best opportunity. So ventilation system also we have defined, for fire protection system, electrical system. Under that we have defined this all parametric family. And I have also shared that link in your chat box also. If you want to see that, you can open it. See na, electrical Amrind, electrical syllabus is also given here. What we are going to cover in electrical system design, same school building architecture file is there. First, we'll show you how to customize the electrical template. Okay. Then how to link the Revit for electrical, then creating space, how placement of lighting fixture, panel, board, circuit, how to create the wiring, circuit, placement of socket, okay, placement of hand dryer, FCU, panel board schedule, how we can create link to link Revit, that all everything, selection of transformer, diesel generator, ATS, emergency, each and everything we have. Even you will get the fire alarm public address system also here. Okay. So, so this is the best opportunity for all of you. So please see, people are enrolling. Can you see? So, some people are already successful enrolled in this. So again, let me know if anyone have. Last option which I have explained you. I will also send you the recording access link also. Okay, access link in the end. Just you have to wait it for 5 to 10 minutes for that. Then I will share you the recorded access link of today webinar as I promised with you in the starting of the class. So I will share you. Okay. So just wait it for 5 to 10 minutes for that. You will get each and everything. Electrical SLD, Asiful, you are talking about. So yes, seen everything is written. Placement. And see, parametric family modeling is there. I think you are not getting this type of syllabus. Anyone are not offering this complete detail only in 4,999 rupees. So as per my suggestion, I think this is the best option for you. Okay. Otherwise, same course you will get. That see, for access now, the people, the student who are already enrolled. So for access, don't worry about that. After 24 hours, you will get the access. Okay. So don't worry about it. Okay, all of you. So don't be just. So all of you, if you have enrolled, so you will get the access after 24 hours. Okay. So don't worry. And again, I'm just sharing the payment link, both INR and USD payment link. So don't think so much, okay, to enroll this. You will not get opportunity like this again and again, okay? Remember, this is only for this webinar student, okay? I think we have given the huge discount, more than 50%, near about 60-70%, we have given huge discount. So regular price, already I have shown you the regular price also for this course. You can see 15,990 means more than $150. So here you are getting this offer. Okay. And one more thing, if you are getting payment issues, anyone, if you are getting any issue during payment, or if you have any question or need further assistance, so I am sharing the WhatsApp that one. See, you can just contact us with the given WhatsApp number. Okay. If anyone are facing any problem, payment issue or any type of problem, so you can just contact in the given WhatsApp number. See in your chat box, I have sent the WhatsApp number also. Shawan, you are telling, do you have a PayPal option? Yes, we have that option also. So for that, na Shawan, what you have to do? Just contact into the given WhatsApp number right now only. Just contact it if you have any problem. Okay. So already see, we have shared the heat load calculation, that webinar recorded link also. So just you can use that link. You will get the access of this recorded link after just 1 hour. So wait for it. Okay. So don't be. Again, I'm sharing the webinar access, recording link, access link. Okay. You can use that link to get the access of this today recording class. And if you have anyone are facing any problem for payment, any payment issue, so you can contact into the given WhatsApp number. Okay, all of you. So do it fast. You have only 5 minutes now. Last 5 minutes is there to enroll in this course. So do it fast. So you will get. The number is incorrect, sir. So I think if no number is correct, na 966147. So if Sahil, are you there? So just please share the WhatsApp number also. Okay, number is right. WhatsApp number is given to you. So just use that number if you have any payment issue. Anyone are facing payment issue, so you can contact into the given WhatsApp number. Okay. Now anyone have question, any doubt? Tell me. You also get the certificate also. Yeah, everything. Certificate Revit MEP course, you will get the certificate, 1000-day access, everything. Don't worry about that. And access, if you have enrolled, so you will get the access after 24 hours. Okay. And the student who want the today webinar recording, so you can contact. So all of you have a last 5 minutes for this discount. Okay. After that, same course, you will get. Okay, Kai, no problem. So you will get the access after 24 hours. Okay. Very good. And other students have any doubt? You can tell me. Actually, Kai, problem is what here? To get the report, don't worry about that. Actually, problem is sometime what happen na in Revit when you select the city na, so Revit will not get the enough weather data from that city. So that is why they are not giving. Don't worry, you can select the another when you perform, when you do the practice, na just select the another city. You will get the report also. Okay, each and everything. 1 minute, I am trying to select it. 1 minute, huh? I'm changing it. We'll share you live class also. Yeah, maybe I have to change the because problem is what na sometimes see in location. First, let me know. Can you see my screen, all of you? This Revit screen is visible. Tell me. See, in location, we have selected. uh, in location, see, we have selected New Delhi right now. Okay, so no problem. Search it and select New Delhi. Okay. Okay. Now here in what you are telling in energy setting, first now delete the previous report, okay, which we have generated. So okay, I have deleted that. Okay. Now in energy setting also come here. Some changes we have to do. So you will get each and everything. Hit on energy setting. Otherwise, when you are generating the report, just hit on system. See, here the location report folder path is showing what? C drive user admit temporary. Okay, local. 1 minute, huh? First, what I am doing from the desktop, I am just deleting that. Change the path for that report. So maybe you will get that. Okay, I'm changing the part. All of you listen carefully. So these are the problem which we are facing sometime. Setting. Sorry, how to change it? Location report folder part. So do it, okay? You can do it easily. So change the folder path. Actually, from here we can't change. Actually, you have to come here in the energy setting because here only I have shown, if you remember. See, the report folder path is whatever, just you can, where you want to save in desktop. So select the desktop location, okay? And the name is report, suppose. Hit load report. You can save it. Clear this thing. This may be invalid directory. Okay. Anything, just give it and save it. We can't change from here also. So edit type and now just change it. Okay. In starting when we are performing now this all data on that time only we have to do the changes. Okay. I have saved in the desktop now. Okay. Now we are trying one more time. See all of you. Okay. Okay. I have done. Now again I am trying. Just listen carefully. See, now we are saving in the desktop C drive. Is it clear? Run analysis. Wait for some time, all of you. And analysis report calculating is going on. Sometime this you will face this type of problem, but don't worry about that. This is not a hard issue. Okay, so this is the process actually. The process is very important. So remember this thing. Yes, anyone are facing payment issue, so you can tell me, okay? Give me message in chat box. So see, again it is showing energy plus simulation did not generate report for access. So same problem maybe. Now what I am doing, just delete it first. Now see, hit on location. I am going for Delhi now. Why this problem is coming? Sometime you will face this problem, okay? Delhi, India. Okay, hit on okay. Now better is to delete one more time this energy analytic and energy model and again Just create the energy analytical model again and just do it one more time. All of you listen carefully. You can change the location, so you will get the result. Okay, don't worry about that. Change the location. Actually, problem is what na? I am searching only for Delhi only. Why it is not coming? That is my reason. When you change the location, you will get no problem. Okay, run analysis. Now wait, analysis report. They will give you for Delhi also. Okay, sometime maybe problem is coming. That is why it is not given. Okay, so don't problem. Just change the location, all of you. And here now we are going to end the webinar. So all of you, those who have enrolled in this course, which we have shared. Okay, so don't worry about that. You will get the access after 24 hours. Okay, after 24 hours, you will get the complete Revit MEP access. And don't worry about that. The issue will coming now. We'll explain you. Okay, so don't worry about that. We'll resolve it and then we'll explain you again. So don't worry about it. Clear? Just I have told you, if you are facing this, just change the location. Better is to change the location. First delete the previous analysis report and change the location. You will get the okay. Okay, so hope all of you enjoy the session. So yeah, and remember for certification, see all of you, the yeah, the email is sent to in the chat box, augmented@gmail.com. Just email. Okay. So hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one. Goodbye and thank you to all of you.